Thank you for taking the time to learn about Picture Perfect lawn maintenance and the service options that we have available in the RVA area. If you haven't already, be sure to take a look at our Prime, Premier, and Pristine program options. These are the foundation for the strong majority of our clients in terms of service coverage because they take multiple services at different coverage levels, bundle them together, and put them into a really convenient monthly rate. In addition to those three programs, we offer supplementary packages such as the Plus Package and the Pest Package. What's great about the Pest Package is that it covers those outdoor unwanted pests such as mosquitoes, fleas, and ticks, so that your investment in a beautiful lawn can actually be enjoyed by you and your whole family. The Pest Package takes a full season of mosquito, flea, and tick control, which usually runs from approximately April through October, and spreads it out over the course of a 12-month program option that can be paired with your Prime, Premier, or Pristine program. What's great about this is you have full season coverage for these unwanted pests. You don't have to worry about there being any kind of lull in your service because we're coming out every 3 weeks to continue treating the property. Based on your budget and your priorities for the coverage of your property, we offer a mosquito option for the Pest Package where we target areas that are specifically going to be oriented with mosquitoes, or mosquito, flea, and tick coverage, in which case we're going to be treating open lawn areas as well as the hideouts for mosquitoes. Either option is great for families or anybody who's active in their yard, as well as pet owners, because the last thing that you want is for your furry friend to be infested with any unwanted parasites. A huge benefit to Picture Perfect's Pest Package is that we are using an organic and all-natural product. Not only does this give you the benefit of being able to immediately go out and enjoy your yard safely with your whole family, kids and pets alike, without the risk of being exposed to any toxic chemicals. At Picture Perfect, we try to be as eco-conscious as possible, which is why we have adopted a product that is completely safe for your pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and other desirable bugs are not at risk of the product that we use. It is very successful in targeting mosquitoes, fleas, and ticks, but is going to leave those good ones alone. If you have any questions about our Pest Package, the coverage that it offers, or anything else, be sure to contact our office to explore our options, learn more, and get information. If you have questions about any of our other programs or packages, be sure to let us know as well, and I hope you have a Picture Perfect day.